Chinese potato curry, or in Kannada we call it as Sambrani Gezi, or in Malayalam Koorkka Koot. I have done to some extent in my own way of preparation, and once again I am telling you, it is really very tasty. It is you can say that it is even tastier than potatoes. It's a bit hard but very tasty. You will love it, this particular recipe. Now let us see what all ingredients we need to prepare this Chinese potato koot curry. I have taken here 78 green chilies, ripe one, around 1 spoon of cumin seed, little salt to taste, 1 spoon of Kashmiri chilli powder, little Asofoetida, little curry leaves, and finally for seasoning, mustard, coconut oil and red chilies. Here I have taken around 1.5 coconut scraped, around 750 grams of Chinese potato. Now let us see how to prepare this particular Chinese potato koot curry. First, you have to grind along with coconut scrape and make it into masala. I put already the green chilli wrapped ones. Now the cumin seed, salt, red chilli, Asofoetida, curry leaves. Forgot to tell you during the ingredients time, narrating the ingredients. Now I am adding that towards it. Now the coconut. If it doesn't have, your mixie doesn't have the capacity to grind everything, you have to do twice. And the water has started boiling. So towards it, we'll add this Chinese potato. Now along this, I'm going to add little salt. I'm adding little salt, little turmeric powder also. We'll cover the top. Now let us see whether our Chinese potato has been cooked properly. Yes, now everything has been cooked properly. Now towards this, we'll add this grinded masala plus coconut towards this. Okay, we now no need of covering the top. We'll just keep it open. Koorkka koot, it's ready. We will season the koot curry. So nice to be with you. Thank you.